Let's begin with diving into the company's background. Nestle company history can be traced back to 1866 with the foundation of the Anglo-Swiss Condensed Milk Company in 1905. Henry Nestle merged with Anglo-Swiss to form what we know as Nestle Group. Nestle has become one of the largest beverage companies with over 2,000 brands operating in nearly 200 nations across the continent. Nestle also is driven by its mission, good food, good life, which aim to enhance the quality of life and build the foundation of a healthy tomorrow. Reason as to why Nestle is able to thrive as one of the world's largest food and beverage companies is due to the company's excellent handling in risk assessment. As to what risk assessment is, it is a process by which we understand and identify hazard and calculate to determine the likelihood and severity of the hazardous event occurring. For Nestle, risk assessment is a crucial process in management to safeguard the company's operation, financial performance, or reputation by evaluating potential risks from any risk that could occur. The main objective of this study is to assess Nestle risk management strategies and analyze how effective the company's method on handling the potential and existing threats in its operational, financial, and management department. Therefore, the goals are to identify risk, evaluate risk mitigation, and enhance sustainability. As for the purpose of the study, it is to provide stakeholders, investors, and even consumers with information into how Nestle ensure long-term sustainability and is up to regulatory standard, plus to be able to maintain its competitive edge in the global market. Some of the problem statements and issues that can be found in Nestle operational is fire, theft, and factory accidents.
Now I will present about risk assessment or strategy plan. The framework for risk assessment is adapted from ISO 31000 2018. The plan follows this step. First is risk identification, second is risk analysis, third is risk evaluation, fourth is risk treatment, and lastly, monitoring and review. For the first step, risk identification to recognize and documenting potential risks that could impact the company. One of the most devastating risks to a manufacturing facility is fire. In the past, there has been an incident at the manufacturing plant in Jonesboro, Arkansas, Freehold, New Jersey, which resulted in severe damage. Hazard is associated with the fire include the destruction of asset, disruption of operational, financial loss, and even reputational damage. Another significant risk is theft, which can stem from vulnerability in security measures, weak access control, inadequate surveillance, or even internal theft can be result in serious consequences. The losses from the theft include loss of valuable inventory, financial impact from stolen funds, and operational inefficiency due to missing resources fund. Lastly, factory accident can pose a serious threat both employee and business operation. Hazards such as equipment malfunction and lack of comprehensive safety protocol can lead to injury or even fatalities. The consequences of factory accident include employee injury, potential legal liability, downtime in operation, and financial losses. Next is risk analysis. This analysis involves determining likelihood and severity of identified risks in order to effectively prioritize them. Each risk is assessed for likelihood and severity. This ensures that each risk is understood clearly in terms of its urgency and the type of action required. The fire accidents are categorized as a critical risk due to its medium likelihood with high severe impact to operation. Previous occurrence has a result in significant loss and persists the need for immediate action. While theft have a medium likelihood and impact, this incident has disrupted operation and finance, showing the need for good site supervision and security improvement. Lastly, factory incident, despite their low likelihood and have a significant impact on employee safety and productivity, its necessity preventive strategy and rapid incident response. Now I will discuss how risks are evaluated and prioritized based on their likelihood and impact, ensuring that risk mitigation efforts are targeted and efficient. First is fire-related incidents are classified as a critical risk due to their moderate likelihood but significant operation impact. Fire can cause severe financial losses, production halt, and reputational damage. Next is theft incidents are considered moderate risk as they have medium likelihood and severity. Theft can disrupt operation, lead to the financial losses, and compromising workplace security. Lastly, fire incident, while having a low likelihood, it poses high severity risk to employee safety and production. Accident can result in legal liability, medical expenses, and operational downtime. For the risk treatment, there are few alternatives to overcome for each risk. First is fire-related incident. Install advanced fire suppression system, conduct regular fire drill, and provide employee training on fire prevention and utilize TE-based fire detection system for real-time monitoring and alert. For theft, deploy high resolution CCTV, implement RFID or barcode tracking, and use biometric system. Lastly, for fire accident, conduct routine maintenance of factory equipment, provide mandatory safety training, and establish clear reporting mechanism for hazard and near-miss incident.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Medina Shah bin Amrin Shah, and I will be present the survey form. Okay, the introduction. Our company name is Nestle. It is based on Jonesboro, Arkansas. The occupation of the company is a food and beverages. The type of product that the company has been produced are frozen food, sweets, and chocolate drinks. And it is operated in 2003. And now we move to the fire survey. We started with the description of building. We found out that the condition is good. The flooring that they are using are polyurethane. The walls, we couldn't find the exact information, but based on our research, we found out that most food companies are using PVC. And same also as the roast, they also using PVC. And now we move to the raw material. The main ingredient that they are using are meats, vegetable, grains, dairy product, and spices. The intermediate product are sauce, dough, and fillings. The packaging material that they are using are cartons, plastic trays, and films. The finished product are such as stuffers, liquid cuisine, journal, tombstones, sweet earth, and hot pockets. The hazardous material that company are using are ammonia, cleaning and sanitizing agents, boiler chemical. Where are these located? They are located at the storage facilities. What is the method of the storage? It is raw material and finished product are stored temperature control, while the packaging material are stored in clean dry areas. So now we move to the plant and machinery. These are the list of machines that they are using. The first one is production equipment, such as mixers, oven, freezers, and assembly lines. The second one is packaging machine, and the third one is quality control instrument. The general condition of this machine are satisfactory. The maintenance service are scheduled, and they also use boiler. The type of boiler that they are using are biomass. The temperature is 250 until 300 degrees Celsius. And usually the number of boilermen is only one. The maintenance is also scheduled. And now we move to the electricity. The main power supply are local utility provided in Jonesboro. The type of wiring is metal. The maintenance service is breakdown, and the general condition is satisfactory. Now to the risk management. The last safety audit carried out date is 13 November 2024, and then they're tested on periodic basis yearly, and they also have the presence of community safety. And now, firefighting, fire protection system. The fire brigade are the Jonesboro Fire Department in Jonesboro, Arkansas. The portable fire extinguisher is foam, and the availability of hose reel, internal and external hydrant, dry risers are yes, they have. Automatic fire alarm and detection system is yes, they have. Automatic sprinkler system, yes, they have. Security guard is 24 hours, access control, CCTV monitoring, and walkie-talkie. And the waste disposal is composting, recycling, minimize waste product, partnership with credible waste vendors. And now for smoking control. The designated smoking area is smoking room, and the severity of the punishment and action taken is based on where the staff caught smoking. And for the last one is loss history. The Nestle factory in Jonesboro also has a loss history before. It is a fire incident. The date and time is 16 March 2022 around 4:30 p.m. The cause of fire is it happened inside a large production cooler, and the loss is major damage to the hot pocket production line, which cost around $100 million. Right, now we move to the theft survey. The first one is theft protection and detection. The security personnel that they are using are security guards, and the surveillance system they are using CCTV and alarms. The second one is occupational safety. The type of occupational safety that they are using are safety protocol and health and environmental management. Move to the third one, which is special risk insurance. The special risk insurance types are accident and health insurance. Second one is property insurance, and the third one is liability insurance. And the last one is loss history. Nestle Jonesboro, Arkansas also have a loss history of theft. It has happened on 14 July 2020. The cause is because a man stealing approximately 100 pieces of 10-pound aluminum metal heat seals from the facility. And the loss is they lost about $93,000 worth of goods.
I will continue the presentation on the possible outcome from the strategy implemented and challenged. There are 3 risks that Nestle might face in the factory, which are fire-related incident, theft incident, and factory incident. So from the strategies implemented for risk-related risks, we as surveyors expect the installation of modern fire suppression systems such as sprinklers, fire extinguisher, and IoT monitoring to help reduce fire risk and minimize losses. Employing fire drill and training enhance preparedness, ensuring a quick and effective response during emergencies. After a period of time, the successful implementation of fire suppression system and employee training led to 0 major fire incident, proving that this measure effectively reduce the risk and improve facility safety. Next, for theft incident, we expected the implementation of high-resolution CCTV cameras, RFID monitoring for high-value goods and biometric access control to enhance workplace security and deter theft. Additionally, regular audit are expected to boost accountability and minimize losses. After enforcing it, no significant theft instances were recorded after the installation, demonstrating that this measure effectively reduced unauthorized access and related incidents while enhancing overall operational efficiency. Lastly, for factory accident, we anticipated that all of these measures were intended to reduce the likelihood of accident, increase worker awareness of hazard, and promote a stronger safety culture. Hazard reporting mechanisms were designed to ensure that all risks were addressed promptly. As a result of implementation, workplace accident significantly decreased and employees became more diligent in following safety protocol and reporting hazard in a proactive manner. In summary, Nestle has reduced fire incident, theft and accident through modern technology, employee training and regular maintenance. Using IoT monitoring, RFID tagging and strict safety measures, the company has enhanced safety operation, gaining stakeholder trust. But this effort requires high cost, technology reliance, and ongoing trainings. The investment is worthwhile, ensuring risk reduction and operational excellence.
Next, I'll be summarizing Nestle risk management strategies and providing key recommendations to further enhance its operational resilience. Nestle has demonstrated a strong commitment to proactive risk management by addressing critical operational challenges such as fire incident, theft, supply chain disruption, and factory accidents. Using advanced technology, enhanced safety protocols, and comprehensive employee training, the company has significantly reduced these risks, ensuring business continuity and sustainability. However, there are still challenges that need to be addressed, including high investment costs, technological vulnerabilities, and the needs for consistent employees' compliance to safety measures. Despite this obstacle, Nestle risk management strategies have been effective in maintaining operational excellence and supporting long-term growth. To further strengthen Nestle risk management framework, I have outlined 5 key recommendations. The first one is enhanced technology integration. Nestle should keep embracing new technologies to strengthen its operation. By using artificial intelligence, the company can better predict maintenance needs, streamline its supply chain, and quickly identify potential risks. Additionally, expanding IoT-based solutions will enhance fire detection and improve visibility across the supply chain, making operation safer and more efficient. The second one is foster culture of safety and accountability. Fostering a culture of safety and accountability among employees is crucial. This can be achieved by regularly updating safety training programs to reflect emerging risks and new technologies. Encouraging employees to actively report hazard and near-miss incident while offering incentive will strengthen workplace safety and morale. The third one is strengthen supply chain resilience. Supply chain resilience remains a top priority. Diversifying supplier network will help mitigate the impact of potential disruption. Additionally, partnering with local suppliers can reduce logistical challenges and improve compliance with regional regulation, ensuring seamless product distribution and quality control. Fourth is continuous monitoring and policy review. Nestle should implement continuous monitoring and periodic review of risk management policies. Establishing a dedicated risk assessment committee will help evaluate and update strategies to keep pace with evolving industry trends. Regular audit will also ensure compliance with safety, security, and operational standards. The last one is align risk management with sustainability goals. Risk management effort should align with Nestle's sustainability goals by adopting eco-friendly practice and minimizing waste. The company can reinforce its commitment to environmental responsibilities. Transparent communication with stakeholders will further build trust and enhance Nestle's reputation in corporate social responsibility. In conclusion, by implementing these strategies, Nestle will further strengthen its risk management framework, enhance sustainability, and reinforce its competitive advantage in the global market. Through continuous improvement and innovation, Nestle will remain a leader in operational resilience and corporate responsibilities.